Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a very simple, easy install. It's going to be consisting of the F Sport grill or a 2011 to 2013 grill. My car's a 08, so this should be a nice little upgrade. I picked it up locally for 40 bucks, so I'm not complaining at all. The previous owner, for some reason, I guess they touched the grill, and it's missing a lot of bolts. So basically my front grill is like flimsy, but I think I kind of remember what bolts go in there and what you're gonna need for your car if you have not replaced your grill. Yeah, let's get to it. All right, so if we look here, you can obviously see the car, the grill's not really, or I believe the bumper's okay. It's just the grill's not safely put on, and I believe there is going to be a clip here that if you have a plastic tool remover, you can remove this clip. Another clip here. This is my first time ever seeing this, so I really don't know. It looks like a Phillips screwdriver. There's usually a 10 mil right here. I don't know if you guys can see. There's usually a 10 mil. Again, there's a clip, and clip. But again, previous owner removed it, so he didn't put the clips back together. So we are going to start off with removing this weather strip. You just pull off slowly. Oh, I think I broke down. Oh, no, I didn't. You just remove it. Remove it. Yep, these are good. Remove. Kind of pull so that you don't break the clip. Perfect. One more, and voila. That's it. These are the little clips that hold the weather strip together. As you can see, you grab a plastic tool remover, and you just pop these out and put them back on the weather strip. All right, so since the previous owner removed this grill before, we're going to skip the step where I remove these clips and the screw that goes right here. And we're just gonna jump to removing the grill itself. As you guys can see right here, there's a tab right there, a tab right there, and these little tabs that go all around the grill. Once you push on it, the grill should pop out. Once we get to that step, I'll update you guys. All right, so we actually just finished installing the grill. Don't get me wrong, I like it, but there's one thing that really irritates me. It's gonna be these lines right here behind the grill. Oh no, behind the logo. I think I'm gonna delete those. Those look really ugly. I think I'm just gonna cut them off. But other than that, for 40 bucks, I am not complaining at all. It looks really, really good. I think my next, not mod, but thing is to buy that new outer trim. I don't really like that plastic dip or can spray that the previous owner did. But yeah, here is the previous grill and here is the new grill. Very simple install. It should take you no less than maybe 15 minutes at most, and yeah. All right, so that should be for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Again, the process is really easy. It's very easy to install and remove. It's at the end of the day, it's just all common sense. Well, tune into the next video, and till next time.